Godzilla X Kong, the new Empire Tiamat figure. Oh my gosh. It looks beautiful. I cannot wait to unbox this. Yeah. So let's do it. This is the first unboxing video I've ever done. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. Godzilla X Kong, the new Empire Tiamat with submarine figure. Oh my gosh, this was hard to get. We went to Target, and they said they didn't have it. We called Target. They said they did have it. We called Target again. They said they didn't have it. We went to Target, and they had it. So we have it now. And it looks amazing. I love all the cute little baubles she has. And the frill is amazing. And she's made out of this very nice rubbery material that makes it fun to touch. So let's get it out of the box so I can elaborate some more. Later in the video, I'm going to compare this Tiamat to some of the other Tiamats that I've made by myself, with my own plastic, with my own hands. I really like boxes, so I don't like to damage boxes. Even if I don't save them, I like to turn them into other things. Oh, we can see so much more of her now. I love all the scales on the belly. This might just be me, but I think Tiamat has the cutest face ever. Can you get the scissors for me, please? Yes. Oh, I meant the big scissors, but thank you. I might need the big scissors. Hello? Guys, I think my assistant just left me. Let's see if we can open it like this. Oh, my savior. Thank you.
Sorry, I was walking away because I went to get the big scissors and I needed them.
Perfect.
I didn't ask for the big scissors as I closed the door.
Perfect.
I'd like to be prepared, so I was going to get them.
And she's on another, is that another tire?
I think so.
Scissors are a lot easier to use. When I first saw this figure, I was trying to figure out how I was going to hold it. But now that I'm getting it out of the box, kind of realizing that the rubberiness makes it a lot easier to hold it. I still feel like I should be extremely careful with it though. As I am. She is amazing. There we go. A little stiff at the head, but all the other joints appear to be pretty loose for a brand new toy, obviously. We look at the package, it appears to be the same. That was perfect timing.
Thank goodness.
I'm almost considering leaving it in there for comedic effect. If we look at the packaging, it appears to be the same as all the other Godzilla X Kong figure packaging that I've seen online, except for the back is Tiamat with descriptions of her and her name here. So not much to look at there. The submarine. Ooh, it's not as bendy as I thought it would be. It's nice. Wow, it's very detailed. I like the little propeller. I wish I had a Muto that was big enough to eat this. And Tiamat. Finally, we get to Tiamat. Tiamat can move a lot. Do a little pose. It's like she's coming out of the ice right now. In the movie when she was coming out of the ice. Ooh, she's doing a backflip right now. Super cool. So she moves at the tail. Here. Right here, she moves. To over here. And over here. And at the head. And at the jaw, she opens and closes her mouth. And her legs go out and around. All of them. Joints are very loose. I don't know if that's just mine. And once again, she's made out of this very rubbery material. Feels very fun to hold. And I can't really think of anything else to say, so that's Tiamat. Let's compare her to some of my creations. So this is a Tiamat I made for the board game Godzilla Tokyo Clash. Designed from the comics. I made it a little stylized. I put a little lightning all around drawn on her. But aside from that and the fins, which I made a little bit more like bigger, I guess, than the comics are. She pretty much is how she is in the comic, except for a few changes. This is how she is next to this one. Let me see if I can get her to lay down as long as she can go. My Tiamat is like about as long as this Tiamat's like middle area is. Compared to my custom Skilla that I just recently uploaded a short of not too long ago. Once again, about as big as her middle area. Here are her next to my Mudos. And then here's Tiamat next to the Mudo Prime I've been working on. If you want to know how big all my custom monsters are compared to other similar sized toys as Tiamat, check out the video in the description below. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you again. Bye.